everything changes.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. You're probably going to watch this video on Monday, April 19th, 2021, I would imagine is when this will be uploaded. And I just wanted to take a minute from me to you guys. It's just going to be real quick. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone who's continued to watch the channel, who has supported me and supported my business, whether it's in the Facebook group or through affiliate links, whether you're clicking stuff or buying stuff, or possibly buying inventory for yourself through our wholesale site. Everything that I have linked below. I appreciate all that you guys do for that. It's not been easy. I've been living in this resort, and I know that sounds crazy that that's not easy, but for the last 5 months, we moved in here in December. So, to January to February to March to April, and now when we move into our house May, it'll been 5 months living in a resort where we can't store inventory. I've got nowhere to put thousands of pieces of inventory, and I've got nowhere to obviously set up a shipping station and continue an operation. It could have been done, but it just wasn't feasible. We continued the wholesale business because everything I bought in bulk, which you guys have seen, I'll throw some pictures up, has been processed into the warehouse in Tampa that I subrent. And then I was either paying my brother, or I was driving back and forth almost an hour and 10 minutes from this resort to where my warehouse is, back and forth to pack boxes of remotes for you guys, or boxes of scrubs, boxes. We sold 1,300 neckties, 13 boxes of 100 neckties. We sold a couple hundred boxes of clothing. We sold all of this stuff through either the Shopify store or Wholesale Direct. And because of you guys, I was able to continue running a business without actually having Amazon FBM or either of the eBays actually up and running and processing normal material. So when we move in, which is May 1st, we're closing on the 30th. We're going to move in on May 1st. So we got like 11 days from this. I can't wait. We will actually have those stores back up and running, and I will be able to link them below for you, so you guys can always take a look at what I have. We're going to go from zero. There are 0 items active on the stores because I had to put them on time away. If you're not familiar with time away, it's awesome, but every 30 days you renew it. I've been renewing it. Finally, I was just like, you know what? I'm just going to end everything to unsold since we're moving soon. You never want to do that if it's going to be more than 30 days because they will start disappearing. And then when we get to the house and we get our inventory and my storage and everything set up, I will be able to go bin by bin and take the high quality items, get them listed, go to unsold's list like bin A, bin B, bin C, bin D, and just make sure everything is there that's supposed to be there. You never know when to move, and get these all up and running, and you guys will be able to see our sales go from 0, which is what they're at now, 0 in 30-day, 90-day totals, to $5,000 and $10,000. That's the goal. I'm going to take that 90-day total up to $5,000, and then I'm going to take that 90-day goal, up to $15,000, $5,000 per month, and then the 90-day goal up to $30,000, where we're doing $10,000 a month. And so we're going to show you that 0 to $10,000 a month goal. And so I just wanted to take a minute to appreciate what you guys have done while we've been here. And my internet's been terrible. The live shows have not been great. Uploading these videos takes time. Sometimes you guys notice a day or two without one. So just thank you so much from me to you guys for the support. And we'll be back. We'll be back in a home in 12 days, a house, our own, and a business setup that will be proper, with proper sound, proper lighting, proper videos, proper backgrounds to make all of this better. And then obviously what I just talked about, the inventory in the stores going back up. And I'm going to show you guys that it is possible to start from nothing and build all the way up into, what could be a full-time income for you, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000 a month in profit among all the other streams of income. So thank you guys so much for that. If you do want to check out anything that I talk about on this channel, the Facebook group, please join the Facebook group. It's free. There's 120,000 members. It's amazing. It's linked below. My training courses are linked below. All of the amazing people who support this channel, List Perfectly, My Reseller Genie, Mark II's Financial CPA Services, they are all linked below if you need help from any of those. Cross-listing tools, the photo editing app, everything is down below. So take a minute and check all that out. It helps me and it helps all of them too, because they're the people that created all of this. And yes, they're an affiliate sponsor of me, but it's their programs, and they deserve to get paid for what they've created from all those amazing people. So check it out, and soon enough the stores will be up. We'll be back in the house. I'll do a house tour for you guys. We'll probably do like a final walkthrough, and then I'll do like a tour of my actual house once we get it all furnished and decorated. We have to order a bunch of stuff when we get there because we didn't keep anything almost, just a couple of things we kept. And so we got to order all that and get it in. But I'll do 2 videos for that. So I know a lot of you have been looking forward to that. I appreciate that and the questions I get. It's going to be fun and we're excited. And until then, I will see you guys in my regular videos for the next 12 days, and then we'll be back in Tampa and we'll get back to some sense of normalcy. That's kind of the motto for this year, 2021. Let's get back to normal, right? Whatever normal might be for you. All right, have a wonderful night, guys, and thank you so much again for watching. Hit that like button if you support what I do in these videos in this channel and you like it. Please do hit the like button, and if you're not subscribed, please think about hitting the subscription button and the little bell, because it will tell you every time a new video comes out. Until then, have a wonderful, wonderful evening, and I'll see you guys next time.